Skip, look this way. We got photographers. They ask you to take that hat off.
Yeah, a little bit.
That's good. Oh, it takes 4 guys. I just had 1. I just had me.
Did it take you 15 minutes?
I did not have success. I couldn't get it. I mean, I did the string. I was worried about busting the windshield. Shit,
right, got it.
4 of you. Nobody has 4 people in their garage at midnight working on
You're
this.
starting with that nice wine.
Depends how much beer you got.
That could hurt.
Yeah. That's a fine balance there.
Wait, we got the wrong one in the front.
We have to cure for 12 hours.
Who's doing the video for FAQ? Is that, you doing
That's
that
what I'm
video?
doing, yep.
Not on that thing, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Can I like talk and it'll be on there?
You're on there now.
All right. Their crew of O2 rules. Skip. Skip's Foreign Car Parts in Conway, Arkansas is working on the right side. All your head needs. Skip, advertise.
And we have important people supervising. Ben, Matt.
That might hurt.
We just want to lend credence to the video when it goes on the O2 FAQ.
Yeah.
They just think it's a bunch of rednecks working on it.
Right, that's all I'm doing. I gotta say, text. Keep the rubber nice and pliable.
Exactly. It was actually best when they had like so you're gonna get something nice to make too, and here. Hanging out. What do you guys got tomorrow? Big deal, like that's where our last cabin.
Push.
Wipe your gloves off, some brown around the windshield.
Rubber is hot. Aim for Arkansas, boy.
Just get warmed up.
Nah, sometimes they're deformed like that. You got to put the filler strip in, and then the heat will relax it up against the body.
That's why you gotta like.
And you got it knocked.
He didn't. There was a. He didn't get a good shot here. Could y'all do that again? Because he was going to put this on FAQ, and he wants it just right. Y'all start over.
We'll edit it in. We'll put some special effects.
I'm sorry?
We'll make some
Start over.
explosions
Yeah, right.
and
We
stuff.
did once. Didn't you get it?
He's shooting still.
I got both of them, Mike. Don't worry.
Well, erase the
I'll
first
mix
one.
in the correct one
There
at the
you
appropriate
go.
time.
Chalk
Don't
from
try
the
this
car.
at home, kids.
Skip. Is it chalk from the car?
Yeah, man. Children's artwork.
Oh, this is the art car.
I thought we were going to use paint.
I'm glad we didn't.
Uh-oh, you missed a part there. Notice, film the Arkansas area was deformed.
When we put the, I know, when the chrome trim goes in, it spreads that.
You can also put urethane sealer in there if you want to spend the time.
You left behind dry, bro.
This came from the guy with the Crowfoot wheels. Scott from Atlanta.
It's in the ground, right by your left foot.
I don't know. I think I'd use it.
You use those, don't you, Chris?
It's left over from Space Shuttle.
Yeah, you start it in,
Yes.
shoehorn the tip in, and then just pull around. You just typically don't use one.
I use one.
They just call it a windshield filler strip installer. $10.
Or check with your local CCA toolbox. We have one in ours.
Okay. Because it reaches down.
Yeah.
Right, because you really don't want the windshield popping out sometime. That could spoil your day.
All right, yeah. Well, I'll just use this on something else.
Just let that sit in the sun and it's nice and soft.
Liable.
Yeah.
Helps to
Winter
heat it
time,
up,
I boil in a pot of water on the wood stove.
That's a good idea.
Got it. Did you get it?
I think so. I mean, this one.